Welcome to Angular Complete Series Part 3 Getting Started, represented by Tutorial Polls. To begin with the development of Angular application, we are required to set up the development environment first thing. Let's see what all we need to do Angular application development. We would be required Node.js, code editor of your choice. I would suggest you use Visual Studio Code as it is open source and free to use. Then next is Angular CLI package. Then basic familiarity with HTML, CSS and JavaScript will be good. Then the next is completely optional but good to have some basic familiarity with TypeScript. If you don't know TypeScript, don't worry. To download Node, please visit the official site at the URL nodejs.org. Once the website opened, click on the menu Downloads and click on the current to download the latest version. As you can see, we have downloads available for Windows and Mac. I am using Windows, so I will be downloading the Windows installer. So choose the installer based on your operating system. As the downloading has started, it might take some time to download. Let the download be finished. Alright, as you can see here, Node.js has been downloaded. I have moved it in here. Let's install it now by clicking on this. Before installation, make sure you don't have any other Node.js version installed already. In case if you have any Node version installed, please uninstall that first. Now let's begin the installation by clicking on this exe. Click on next, accept the license agreement. Let all the options be the default and let it install. Installation is done. Click on finish. Check in console which version of Node.js is installed. Open command prompt, type node-b, press enter. And you see here version 15.2 is installed. Alright, Node.js is installed. Next is VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code. To download the Visual Studio Code, please visit the URL code.visualstudio.com. Here you also can see we have installer options available for Windows and Mac. As I have already downloaded and installed Visual Studio Code for Windows long back, I am not going to repeat this step. You can follow the installation prompt in the same way as we did in the case of the Node installer. From the Start menu, after installing the Visual Studio Code, if you search for Visual Studio Code and launch it, you will see the first glimpse as I have here opened my VS Code. Here you can start working in VS Code. You can either open a file or open a folder or add a workspace folder. Also under recent, you will find recently opened projects. It's empty here as we have not opened or created any project yet. As VS Code has built-in support for the terminal, we would need this terminal to open for various tasks. To open the terminal, you can either click on this terminal menu option and click new terminal, or go to view, click on the terminal. As you can see here, it is telling that by pressing Ctrl plus tilde as a shortcut, also you can open the terminal. Now let's understand what is Angular CLI and how to set up it. Angular CLI stands for Angular Command Line Interface. Angular CLI is nothing but a normal Node package which helps us in simplifying various complex and time-consuming tasks on the tip of a command. So, from the creation of a startup project to the creation of a component, setting up development server, everything Angular takes care of and let the developer focus on core features, development and logic. Let's install it quickly. Type in the URL angular.io and click on Getting Started and then click Setup underneath. Scroll down to the section where it says Install the Angular CLI. As you can see, we can install the Angular CLI package using the Node Package Manager command. Open in the command window and type npm install @angular/CLI -g. Here -g is to make installation global. In case if you get an error, npm is not recognized, then check your path variable and add the node path as shown here. Key as node_path and value as C, program files, node.js, node modules, npm, and then press OK and try running the same Angular CLI command, or maybe open the command prompt again and then try running the Angular CLI command. As you can see, CLI has been installed successfully. Now if you navigate to path, see users, your username, then app data, roaming, npm, node modules, and Angular/CLI. Open package.json, observe the version of it. It is 11, which is a guarantee our applications will be created in Angular version 11. Each Angular version is mapped with the Angular CLI version. So when we will create the Angular application using the CLI of version 11 with the command, it will create the Angular 11 application. And it will also install all the dependency of Angular 11. Pretty awesome, For more details, you can visit the URL cli.angular.io for the CLI. And you can see various commands we can use to perform different actions. Once Angular CLI is installed, we are done with our environment setup and proceed further. Good job. We are done with our environment setup. And let's continue to the next lecture. Thank you and keep watching.